All right, guys, so over here we got Mr. T working on a little situation with some rough drilling. We got these aluminum boxes and got a good deal on them. The doors were kind of bent up, the boxes were good. They had these cool brackets on the side. So we decided to go ahead and incorporate these into some saddle boxes on the truck, because, you know, single cab and not being able to use toolboxes to keep the winch bed available for winch stuff, we're gonna go with the under the bed boxes. So we got these, and they're pretty fancy. Got some little watertight key covers and stuff, but the doors had been warped and looked like somebody caught this door. So we got them straight as we can without worrying about overcorrecting. So T is doing he's gonna re-rivet all this back together as soon as he gets some holes drilled out, and then we're gonna start marking them up to the truck and figuring out what we're gonna do there. So that's two different projects going on today, but we'll keep you posted on them.
We decided to go with aluminum on the toolboxes here. Not everything can be steel. But these are some brand used boxes, and we're just straightening up the lids to them and re-riveting them. Make sure they stay on there. And I cut the last couple inches of this hinge off. It was bent, so we'll bust a new hole. Alright y'all, like I sort of touched on the last video, we got these aluminum toolboxes. The trick with this one's gonna be finding some kind of mounting. Well, I want to go ahead and mount this to the bed frame. That way we can take it on and off of the truck with the bed if need be. Let me get you in frame there. But I'm thinking somewhere along the lines of 6-inch sheet channel, and then we'll have some drop downs off of that to tie into these brackets on the toolbox. But we'll put y'all up on this tripod and show y'all a little bit of the process. Well guys, I thought I'd give y'all an idea of what it looked like before I cover it with black paint and it blends into everything. We got this 4-inch C-channel welded square to the bed, and then 2x3 angle iron with our drop downs. Very simple, but I did it this way to where we can take it off independent of the truck. You know, it stay on the bed whenever you lift the bed up. But I'll show you how the toolbox brackets mount on these, and we'll show you the final look. Well, as you can see, the toolbox brackets just bolt right up to the 2x3 angle. We're gonna mark our holes, take it off, and drill it on the drill press, put it back on, and then final weld it. Alrighty, well, we got our brackets painted. Kind of blends in, but as you can imagine, the toolbox just butts right up to our brackets there. Give you an idea. As well as we're coming around with this rubber weather stripping, and that'll give us some waterproofing. I messed up on this one, but I'm gonna go ahead and put this seam on the bottom. That's how it is on the weather stripping on the door and everything. Makes more sense there. But we'll give it another shot and show y'all the final product here. Well guys, that does it for this toolbox bonanza. If y'all haven't already, go check out the rest of the playlist on this ultimate shop truck build. We got a lot more cool things than a couple of aluminum toolboxes on the side of it. But y'all tell us what y'all think, if y'all like it and whatnots. Thanks for watching, and see y'all on the next one.